Dear student, today we discuss the another two creative questions of question number 5 and 6 of percentage. Now, question number 5. A seller laid a table in stock but sold it at 7,040 taka after 12% discount from the cost price. Question number A. What is the cost price of the table? Question number B. If the seller make 12% profit from the cost price, then what will be the selling price? Question number C. If the cost price of 4 shares is equal to the price of one table, then what is the selling price if a share? What is the cost price of a share if profit of 15% is to be made? At first we solve the question number A. What is the cost price of the table? Now follow the stream. That is the 12% discount. 12% discount means loss. At 12% discount, if cost price 100 taka, then selling price 100 minus 12, that is 88 taka. Now we write down the selling price 88 taka, then cost price 100 taka. Then if the selling price 1 taka, then cost price 100 divided by 88. Now selling price 7,040 taka. Now the given condition, the sold it at 7,040 taka. That is the selling price. So selling price 7,040 taka. So 100 multiply 7,040 divide 88. Then we cut, then 80 hundreds are 8,000 taka. So 8,000 taka is the cost price of the table. Now question number B. If the seller makes 12% profit, if we say the seller 12% profit, then selling price 100 plus 12. Now we write down at 12% profit, if cost price 100 taka, then selling price 100 plus 12, that is 112 taka. Now we find the selling price. So now we write down if cost price 100 taka, then selling price 112 taka. Now 1 taka 112 by 100. Now 8,000 taka. So 112 multiply 8,000 divide by 100. Now we cut the two type of 0. Then 80 multiply 112. So 8,960 taka. So 8,960 taka is the selling price when the seller make 12% profit. Now question number C. If the cost price of 4 shares equal to the price of one table. Now the cost price of one table is 80,000 taka. Then 80,000 taka is equal to the cost price of 4 shares. So we write down the cost price of 4 shares equal 8,000 taka. Now the cost price of one share, 8,000 divided by 4, that is 2,000 taka. Then 2,000 taka is the cost price of one share. So now what is the selling price of a share? Now we find the selling price of a share if the profit 15% made. Now at 15% profit, if cost price 100, then selling price 100 plus 15, that is 115 taka. If cost price 100 taka, then selling price 115 taka. So 1 taka, then 2,000 taka, because 2,000 taka is the cost price of one share. So 2,000, then 1,015 multiply 2,000 divided by 100. Then we cut. So result 2300 or 2,300 taka. So 2,300 taka is the selling price of a share when 15% profit is to be made. Now answer 2,300 taka. Now okay, question number 6. Mr. Arunto deposited 2,600 taka in a saving bank and receives 3,536 taka as interest principal in 4 years. Question A. What is the rate of simple interest per annum? Question B. At the same rate, in how many years will the money be double? Question C. What is the principal? which with the amount to 4080 টাকা after 4 years at the same rate. Now we solve the question number A. What is the rate of simple interest? Rate of simple interest means rate of interest. So here the given conditions, the principal 2006 year 600 and amount 3536 taka. So here principal 2600 taka. Now we find the interest. So amount minus principals. Interest equal amount minus principals. Here amount 3536 minus 2600, that is the principal. Now 936 taka is the interest and time 4 years. Now find the rate of interest. So we know that the formula of rate of interest multiply 100 divide principal multiply time. Here interest 936 multiply 100 divide principal 2600 multiply time 4. Now cut, then result 9 taka. So rate of interest is 9%. Then we solve the question number B. At the same rate, in how many years will the money be double? Money be doubles. Now you have 5 taka, then double money is 10 taka. So here the given money is 2600 taka. Now that is double amount 2600 multiply 2. So 5200 taka. So 5200 taka is the amount. So here principal 2600 and amount 2600 multiply 2, that is 5200. Now interest, that's amount minus principal. Here 2600 and rate of interest at the same rate. At the same rate means follow the question number A. The rate of simple interest, that is the same rate. Rate of simple interest is 9%. So rate of interest 9%. So time equal what? Now we find the time. So we know the formula of time equal interest multiply 100 divide principal multiply rate of interest. So here interest 2600 multiply 100. Now principal 2600 multiply 9. So cut, then 100 by 9. 100 by 9 years, that is 11 whole 1 by 9 years. Okay. Question number C. What is the principal which will be the amount to 4800 taka after 4 years? That is the amount. So at the same rate. Now rate of interest at the same rate means 9%. So interest on 100 taka for 1 year is 9 taka. So interest on 100 taka on 4 years. 4 years, that is 36 taka. Now we find the amount. So here principal 100 and interest 36. So 100 plus 36, that is 136. So if we write down the amount 136 taka, then principal 100 taka. So amount 1 taka, principal 100 by 136, the amount 4080 taka. That is given condition 4080 taka. So 4080 taka. So 100 multiply 4080 divide 136. Now we cut, then 30 multiply 100, 3000 taka. So 3000 taka is the principal when amount 4080 taka after 4 years. So answer 3000 taka.